Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video, we will learn how to install a free but very powerful screen recorder in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser because we are going to download the screen recorder software from the internet. Here in the search engine, search for OBS Studio Download, or you can type the keyword download OBS Studio. Both of them are going to give you the same result. The obsproject.com is going to give you the free screen recorder software. Click on the download to go to the download page. As you can see, the software is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating systems. Click on the Windows icon if you are using the Windows operating system. Click on the Mac OS if you have Mac OS, and click on the Linux icon if you are using Linux as your operating system. Whatever operating system you are using, the downloading process will be the same. You just need to click on the relevant icon and head a little bit down to choose the different download options. I'm going to click on the first option that will download the OBS Studio installer. Now the downloading begins. The installer size is 112 MB, so it may take some time depending upon your internet speed. My internet speed is not so good today, so it may take some minutes. I'm going to fast forward this process. After the download is complete, you can click on this down arrow and click on Open or Show in Folder. If you click on Show in Folder option, it will take you to the Downloads folder. Double click on the installer. Click on S if you get a prompt from the user account control. Click on a couple of next buttons and click on the install button. But before you click on the install button, you should make sure that you have 353.5 MB space available on the disk where you are going to install the program, which is generally the C drive. Then click on the next button to begin the installation. Now the installation is complete. If you click on the finish button, it will launch the OBS Studio. But I want to manually launch it. So I uncheck this Launch OBS Studio option and click on the finish button. Here, as you can see, the desktop icon of the OBS Studio is created. If you want to launch the studio from here, you can just double click on it. The other way to launch the OBS Studio is to click on this Windows 11 Start menu, search for OBS Studio and click on it to open it. For the first time with the fresh installation of the OBS Studio, the auto configuration wizard opens. Since I'm going to use OBS Studio for screen recordings only, I click on the second options, that is optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. I'm okay with the default base canvas resolution to 1920 by 1080 and also the FPS as default selected. So I click on the next button and click on the apply settings button. The next step in the configuration part of the OBS Studio is to modify some default settings. For this, go to the bottom right corner of the OBS Studio UI and click on the settings. In the general tab, you might not require any changes because the default settings works just fine. So let's jump into the output tab. Here you might want to change the default recorded video path to your own custom, or you can leave it to default selected. Next, I recommend you to set the output recording format to MP4 because almost all the video editor programs support this format. The .mkv format is not supported by the TechSmith Camtasia Studio video editor, and there might be other software that do not support .mkv or any other except the MP4. That's all I recommend you to change here on the output tab. So click on the apply button. In the audio section as well, I don't see anything that needs to be changed. That's all. Let's click on the OK button and exit from this window. Next, you will need to add a source from where the OBS Studio gets frames to capture. So go to the sources section, click on the plus icon and click on the display capture. Here, change the display capture text with your 1, or you can leave it the default and click on the OK button. Now you see the OBS Studio in quite a different look with properties for display capture window. Since I am using only the one monitor, by default the display source is selected to my monitor. But if you have multiple monitors, you can choose the source monitor or source display by clicking on the drop down. Select your display capture source monitor and click on the OK button. Now you are ready to record your screen. To start recording, click on the Start Recording button here. Now the recording has started. To verify, I'm going to open the notepad and write something. To pause the recording, you can click on this button with 2 vertical lines. And to stop the recording, you can click on the Stop Recording bar. Now the recording has stopped. To play the recording, I minimize the OBS Studio for now and go to the video storage location, which is this PC, C drive, users, the currently logged on users folder, videos. Here I have a video captured by the OBS Studio. Double click on the video to play it. Okay friends, this is how we can install and configure one of the free powerful screen recorder, the OBS Studio in Windows 11. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Goodbye.